Hi guys, I'm Stasi. Today I'm showing you how I crocheted this super cute hair ribbon. Bows are literally taking over this year and I am here for it and I'm loving it. This is also about as beginner friendly as it gets, so it's super easy to make. I used this size 4 cotton yarn, a 5.5 millimeter hook, a yarn needle, scissors, and this hair clip is optional. You could attach the bow to the clip or just tie the ribbon around your hair in a bow. Grab your yarn and make a slip knot. To do this, just twist the yarn around your finger, reach through the hole, grab your yarn and pull it through, and then insert your hook and pull that little loop tight. Now you're going to chain 5. To do this, just grab your yarn with your hook and pull it through the loop. Now you're going to double crochet into the second chain from the hook, which is right here. So yarn over, insert your hook into that loop, grab your yarn and pull it through. Grab your yarn, pull it through 2 of those loops, and then grab your yarn and pull it through those last 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. Now do another double crochet in the next chain. And continue to do 1 double crochet in each chain until you've reached the beginning. And now you have finished that row. Now chain 2 and then turn your work. Now double crochet into that very first stitch, which is right here. So that's where you're going to put your hook. So yarn over and do your double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet all the way across the row again. So do 3 more double crochets in this row. Your 4th double crochet is going to go into this little space right here. So it's kind of hard to see if you're not used to crocheting, but that's where your last one is going to go. So just double crochet right into that space and then chain 2 and turn your work. Continue to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row and chain 2 at the end. Keep doing this until you have as many rows as you'd like. Mine is 48 rows long. Here's how it should look after a few rows. So mine is 48 rows long now, so I'm basically just going to snip the yarn and then start weaving in my 2 ends. So of course you could just leave your ribbon just like this, or you can go ahead and tie it into a bow and attach it to a clip. So this is how I tie mine into a bow. Here's what my bow looks like on a clip. And then here's what it looks like just tied around my hair tie. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!